Tired of the Xnet Library DLL gaming error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to fix your multimedia stack and eliminate that pop-up. Before we dive into the Xnet library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Xnet library, a localized networking shim, frequently associated with legacy localized Xbox to PC ports. It manages localized user authentication and localized peer-to-peer multiplayer handshakes for titles using the legacy localized Xnet protocol. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Xnet is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the localized networking logic file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error, again. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Xnet library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Xnet Library DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Xnet Library Management. To keep Xnet Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.